You searched how to buy shares of Clover Health Investments Corp. This video shows the basic steps. Clover Health is a healthcare technology company focused on Medicare Advantage and primary care, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CLOV. This is educational content and not financial advice. Do your own research before investing. To buy shares, you will need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you typically must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place trades. On the platform, use the search bar and enter the ticker CLOV to locate the listing. Make sure you select Clover Health Investments Corp from the results so you have the correct asset. Open the asset page to review the company summary and a price chart so you see recent trading activity. Confirm the issuer name and ticker are CLOV to verify this is the right stock. Click Trade or Buy to open an order screen. Choose the amount you want to invest or the number of shares and select any available order options. Carefully review the order details and confirm to submit. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once processed, your Clover Health position will appear in your portfolio under the CLOV ticker. Check the description below for the link to the platform used in this example.